What's up guys, this is Zaman from Tech Unwind 9 and today I have a new video for you guys. I've got a case video for this. This is the 13 Pro. I love this phone because it's classic and it still has a SIM card tray inside, okay? The 14s don't have a SIM card tray anymore. They have the eSIM capability. But guess what guys, this has the eSIM and the SIM card tray so you can swap it whenever you want. This is what we want, Apple. We need this back on the 14s. Well, not the 14s, but on the 15s. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. It really helps out my channel. Here we go. Let's get this started, okay? We're going to be unboxing this. We just got this in the mail today. Really, really nice case. It's an expensive case from CASETIFY. I guess that's how you pronounce it. If you guys know how to pronounce it better than me, let me know. But it comes in this really nice box. It's a cardboard box, you know, nice, clean. You got a nice CASETIFY on it, okay? CASETIFY.com, CASETIFY. Nice. It's got a ring to it, right? So this is for the 13 Pro, and I have the Sierra Blue Clear version, okay? I wanted to switch it up because I always get a clear case, or I usually don't rock any cases. But on this one, I wanted to switch it up and get something that's different color, maybe like spice it up a little bit, all right? So before we do that, I really want to show you guys my phone, okay? I've got a skin on this. This is the classic iPhone skin on it. Check that out, okay? And to be honest, I want to show you guys something. I actually dropped it today and the case was coming in the mail, and I dropped it right before that. And thank God, when I took this off a little bit to see if there was a dent, there was no dent underneath. So this was great protection. I don't know how this got saved. It was literally fell on top of the concrete. All right. And then it flipped down like this. I was like, oh no, I'm going to have to buy the 14 now because this is probably shattered. The way it fell, I thought it shattered. But thank God this was on it. It protected the bottom and it's safe. So this one is a really nice skin for the back of the phone. It even comes with this, if you guys can see the different color. And it had another skin that was over here, which I didn't like. I took it off. It was the same as this basically, okay? So here we go. This is not what we're looking at. We're looking at the case. So let's unbox the case, okay? And we'll put it on and take a look. Let's get my trusty knife. Rah. There we go. Put the knife away before it hurts somebody. There we go, guys. Moment of truth. All right, let's use this to break the... Oh, there we go. That's it. You got it out. Ooh, wow. That looks nice, guys. All right, so you just get the case in here. It's a pretty thick case. Let me see. Okay. All right, got a little bit of cardboard here protecting the case if you want to keep it in here, but I don't know who's gonna. But it's a nice sturdy case, okay, for you to be able to put maybe a phone in there or some jewelry or whatever you want, okay? It's a nice sturdy case. I like that. Let's get rid of that. Here is the case, and the case has this little tab. I don't know if it's supposed to even peel this off or not, but I'm gonna. There we go. Take that off. And let's put it on here and take a look. Let's see what it looks like. I usually do not get big cases, but I am gonna take a look at this to see what it looks like on the actual phone. Here we go. Slide that on. And it's not going on it. Let's slide the bottom on because I don't want to mess up my skin. I've had the skin for about a week, guys. Okay. Boom. And boom. Oh, it went on easy right there. Okay. All right. So I took off the back of the... There was a protector on the back. On the inside, I'm sorry. Okay. And I'm going to take off the protector now from the back. Woo! Check that out, guys. What do you guys think? That impressive or what? Do you guys like this case? Let me know in the comments down below. I really like the lettering over here. Okay, this is really nice. CASETIFY and CASETIFY, really nice. Definitely a thicker case than I'm used to because I like very minimalistic cases, but you know what? It ain't bad. I could rock this actually. Just the way it looks now, right now. Look at how beautiful that looks on my phone. And by the way, with that beautiful, beautiful original iPhone look, black, silver and white, really nice, guys. And look at all the protection you get over here. Okay, you see this? This is all protection for like bounce when you actually drop the phone. Here are the cutouts. You can see pretty deep, pretty deep for the connection for charging. And also speakers are really deep. Usually the speakers are not as deep, but these are pretty deep. All right, not bad. I'm actually just liking this case a lot. It's a very clean look, guys. All right, you can use this as a professional thing. You know, this is not a gimmick. Let's see if there's some clicking. You can hear the clicking, guys. All right, so this is pretty deep too, but I gotta say this is easier to get than the Apple case actually. Big cutout for your volume rocker, okay? Just to shut that off if you want, put it on mute. That's easy to get. I like that. It's a deep cutout, but easy to put my fingers. My fingers are pretty thick and easy to get in there, okay? All right, what else? You got something over here. It says this case is made from 65% recyclable material. All right, that's nice to know that we are using something that's recyclable. All right, or already was recycled. Okay, here's the volume up and where's the volume down right here. Okay, and I like the look. You know what? There's a little hole over here on both sides. That looks pretty cool. You can see the foam right through it. You can see the silver a little bit. You can see the silver here. Nice. Let's check out the lip. You got a little bit of lip. Check out the design right up here from CASETIFY. Really nice, guys. Check that out. It's like a gel membrane that's inside it. Really cool. I don't know if you can see it as good as I can on the camera. I don't know if it's picking it up, but I've got to say it's a really nice design. And from some places you can see it, in some places you can't. Right from the front you can definitely see it. Here we go. I'll show it to you. On the bottom, I believe they have a little bit of different design, but on the side here they have the same, and over here have the same, and here and here and on the top. Okay. Also, the speaker cutout on top has a little bit of a lip that's cut out on the actual case. That's a really nice touch. They looked at the details and made sure everything's perfect. Okay, and this phone feels really good in the hands, guys. I must say this feels premium. Okay, this is a very expensive case. It's a $60 case. Okay, $60 is a lot of money, and I am gonna give it a seal of approval for a case that I really like the way it looks. Guys, let's do a slam test. All right, I'm just gonna see if this lip around it is gonna protect it, which I feel it definitely will. It's enough of a lip where you can slam it. Here we go. Boom, we're good. Okay, it ain't moving. It's solid. Last but not least, we're gonna check to see if this is MagSafe compatible. All right, this is a pretty thick case, so let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Okay, so guys, this is barely staying on. Okay, it's a super thick case. I don't want to say it's super thick, but it's a thick case. All right. It doesn't feel like much on the back, but the sides do feel like a lot, right? This is not staying on. Okay, so it's a very light. See that? Fell right off. Here we go. I got a wire attached to this with an extension. Here we go. We're gonna check this out. Boom. Wow, it actually works. I'm surprised. Okay, so it does charge, guys, with MagSafe, but I'm gonna say right now, it ain't the same as having it right on the case or like an Apple case. It really works with that. It doesn't have the ring on the back, so it's not gonna stay, okay? It pops right off, as you guys can see. And also, I don't know if this is gonna scratch the case or not, so I'm not gonna put it on my case, okay? I don't want this beautiful case scratching at all. I am gonna rock this case from now on up until get a new case, all right? I'm gonna keep this one for now. If you guys like the color, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. If you don't, definitely let me know anyways. And I will leave a link for this. I got this from Amazon. If you guys want, you can buy it. I don't make any money off of it. I just wanted to get this case for myself and put it on my phone. And why not make a review on it at the same time, okay? I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. And it is great to talk to you guys and make another video for you. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.